Please stand back from the yellow line. If you notice I've changed my camera, you probably have. Although some people who honestly just don't care probably even haven't. I forgot to check. My phone's now dead. But I forgot to check if it was a... Oh, I riled them up. Never mind. Jeez. They're all around me. Jeez. They're all over me. Oh! We got some bad boys talking. Jeez. My flash is on. It could actually kind of look cool on the trains. Oh, wow, that's right. Anyways, let's close that. This has 16x zoom, which is better than my phone, which has 15x, I think. A little bit better. It's not that much, though. I feel like my phone actually has more zoom capabilities. Well, you know, I don't even know if an arrow is going to come. I also don't know how grainy the audio is going to sound on my camera. Well, find that out.